I'm Dr. Henry Fraser. I'm a research fellow at the QUT node. My work's on law, accountability, and data science. But what I'm really focused on is, what does responsible AI mean? What does it mean to be responsible for an output of an AI? What does it mean to be responsible for a harm caused by AI? A couple of years ago at Christmas time, a little girl was at home playing with Amazon Alexa, and she asked Amazon Alexa for a challenge to do. And the response was basically plug a phone charger halfway into the wall, get a coin and touch it to the metal element that's halfway plugged in. And very luckily the girl didn't do that. But if she had, the question is Amazon that provides Alexa, are they at fault? And if they are at fault, how do you describe exactly what it is that they've done? What systems do you need in place? What should the law be doing to incentivize the right sort of systems? What does it mean to be responsible? What does it mean to be at fault when a machine is really producing these outputs? I am a lawyer, so that's where I start. I start with what the existing laws are. I think the other aspect is bringing in insights from computer science and systems engineering to help me think about the kinds of responsive, responsible approaches to safety and risk management. I would like to see somebody successfully sue the provider of an AI system for this kind of harm, or even not successfully, right? But just to have a court weigh in and either show the ways in which existing laws can apply or expose the holes so that regulators can be very clear about what needs to change. I'd really love to encourage public interest action on that front and to be involved if I can in the future.